All right, we are so excited to have the stars of HGTV's Renovation Aloha with us today. We say aloha to the husband and wife team of Tristyn and Kamohai Kalama. Aloha, you guys.
Aloha.
Welcome to our humble show, our humble set. Please don't look around.
Oh, stop it. Thank you for having us.
Or maybe you should. And
Yes, please. Cover up the pukas over there. You see the pukas there?
It's more nerve-wracking being here than in a renovation job site.
It feels very, very good in here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh,
It's awesome.
Thank you. We got the approval from the Kalamas. This is so awesome. Now, before we dive into season 2 of Renovation Aloha, we like to get to know our guests. Yeah. So, ovai ko'olua mau inoa. What's your guys' name? Who your mara? Who your father? Where you graduate from? All that stuff. We'll start with you, Tristyn.
My name is Tristyn Kalama. I'm born and raised in Kailua. I graduated from Kailua High School. My background is my background is actually in mental health and substance abuse counseling. So that's what I went to college for. That's what I did in the nonprofit world before we even found real estate. And that's actually where I met my wonderful, amazing husband. Was in that nonprofit world. We have 2 beautiful babies, Yasael and Corbett Jr.
Oh,
Yeah.
Papa.
Yeah.
Oh, are you Corbett as well?
I'm Corbett as well.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
Oh my
Yep.
God.
Yeah.
Awesome.
So we have 3 Corbetts in the family.
Yeah, you should
nice.
see us travel. They're like, which one is it?
Which one getting
Yeah.
scolded?
Yeah.
That's the one.
Yeah.
This one.
And tell us a little bit about yourself.
Yeah, so my name's Corbett Aaron Inoke, Kamohai Kalama, and I am a junior, right? I grew up, my family's from Kailua, but we moved to Kaneohe, right on Waikalua.
Yeah.
Right,
Right,
we live right
right
there.
next to it. I would see you all the time driving by the house. So, and I went to Kamehameha High School, grad in '99. And I mean, she kind of filled in with all the baby stuff, but we met at work in the nonprofit sector. And then I had some retail stores with my brother for about 13 years. We shut those down and we got into real estate.
Okay, so tell us, family, how did you guys get into renovation and design? I mean, you're going from the nonprofit sector into this.
I know, totally something different. I think we both, growing up, saw real estate. Our families, you know, his dad did a lot of work from the bank, then into Weinberg. My family, I saw my grandparents own real estate, and we're like, something's there, and we felt called, I call it Holy Spirit, to pull us in that direction. And we had our children, and we were struggling to make ends meet. We were living paycheck to paycheck. We were barely able to pay rent, and I was like, this cannot be.
It's not sustainable.
No. We're missing a key to a door that we should be able to open. And I was watching television, and I saw a commercial come on for a real estate seminar, and the rest was history. We just started taking action, and he went full-time. I slowly transitioned into it full-time, and we never looked back.
That is so awesome. I gotta watch their infomercials, because the one I'm watching is the one that you can make bacon and crispy in the microwave. I'm watching the wrong infomercial. And I tried them, and by the way, the bacon will come out crispy. Anyway, we're gonna be hanging out with Tristyn and Kamohai on the show, because we gotta talk about season 2, which is premiering 1 week from today.
Yes.
But before we do that, let's go get caught up on what's happening with our news for today. We'll take a look at some of our top stories, and our Leu Koholokula is joining us. Hi, Leu. What's going on today, sis?
Well, it's been a busy day, guys. We're talking about a